Musk's tweet comes after the latest data from China's National Bureau of Statistics, which showed China's population growth rate falling to its lowest level in 60 years. And just 10 million babies were born in China in 2021. This is the lowest number recorded since the Communist Party took power in 1949.
China is filling more coffins than cradles each year.
Stephen Moser, demographer and president of the Population Research Institute, says China's population crisis is a result of the Communist Party's one-child policy, under which millions of unborn baby girls were aborted. He knows this because in the 1980s, he was actually there in the operating room as Chinese doctors were performing abortions.
I was in the operating room as they were aborting women who were 7, 8, and 9 months pregnant. That far along in pregnancy, they were doing cesarean section abortions. They were injecting a lethal drug into the womb to kill the child, and the following day they would then do a cesarean section to remove the now dead or dying baby. That's how it was being done. That's what I was an eyewitness to. It was horrific.
A study published in the Lancet Medical Journal predicts that China could lose over 660 million people, or nearly half of its population, just 80 years from now. Though China is not the only country in the world that's seeing a low birth rate. In fact, many countries are facing similar issues to varying degrees, including the US. Manoush Pradhan, founder of UK-based macroeconomic research firm, says that an aging population leads to a shrinking workforce, and that could lead to higher wages and higher inflation, and it could also increase a country's debt.
The United States has a significant increase in the forecasted profile of debt, and a lot of that increase in the debt has to do with providing healthcare services, providing pensions, and in general looking after an aging population.
Though Moser at the Population Research Institute believes that there isn't a cause for concern for the U.S. yet.
The economic downturn, the COVID lockdown and lockup has depressed the birth rate tremendously. Hopefully, it will now start to come back a little bit. But even at the current levels, we're much, much higher than China and higher than any other developed country.
Moser is hopeful that with the pandemic easing, the United States birth rate could go back up. Don Ma, NTD News.